Hey guys, you both look kind of cute. Well, he definitely looks cute. I look very weird. Hey guys, this is Tisha and Chape, and in today's video we'll be trying out plopping. I've seen plopping all over in social media and I've been wanting to try for a very long time. I'm all for anything that gives my long, frizzy and dry hair an opportunity to revive with using less heat as possible. When I'm standing in front of the camera, it feels so weird. I feel like I'm doing a presentation at work. I'm just missing PowerPoints. So let's get started. Why am I doing this? The first thing, your hair needs to be wet. I already showered like a couple of hours ago. It just took me some time with setting up my camera and makeup, but that's the reason why I use shower cap, so the water retains. I did not use a t-shirt to dry my hair. I haven't put any products yet. I didn't even use a towel, so my hair is still wet. Water is still dripping, so I'm using a t-shirt to absorb excess water before I put in any products. I always forget about the back. It's always so flat with no volume. You can't really see it, so it's so freaking hard. Always forget it. Right before I filmed this video, I went to Duane Reade to grab some product just for this video. This one is Canva Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner, you can use it for daily styling or even as leave-in treatment overnight by using a shower cap. You can plop your hair overnight as well, but I don't really want to sleep with wet hair. It gives me massive headache. I did try another TikTok trend a couple of months ago where you curl your hair using a rope. I think it was with like almost dry hair, but I had a very hard time sleeping with those rope curls. After filming the video, I never went back. I don't want to use that much of product on my roots. I don't want it to get weighed down. Some more love for the split ends. Next, I'm using curl shaping jelly. I dropped some on the floor. Chappy, no, Chappy, no. Hold on, let me wipe that thing first. I'm just gonna shimmy the top so there's some volume. Next product I'll be using is a styling gel. I've never used a styling gel, but this one, it does say online that it doesn't give that crusty curls. Like it has no movement whatsoever. When you move around, it's like just there. So I'm gonna be very mindful while using this product. So far, my curls don't feel crusty or like stiff. I have the neck on this side. I'm gonna pop my hair in the middle, like here. Fold the bottom, like just one fold. I'm gonna tie it around like just like my, not tie, like place it just like how would I place a hairband? Come on. So now these are the two sides of the sleeve and tie it on your forehead, not on the top of your scalp because you don't want to put pressure there. Oh, it worked! Trying to make a damn knot. I'm sweating here just making a knot. Ugh. Finally done plopping. It took me like 5th try to get this right. I could never do this at night. It is pretty tight. It's 1:23 p.m. I'm gonna let my hair plop for until like 2:45, 3, so roughly an hour and 30 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm so freaking hungry, and then clean my room, put my laundry away because my room is a mess right now. It's 3:08 p.m. Hopefully tied well. Where's the knot? Okay. I need to fix this one. But otherwise, flat but not frizzy, which I think I would prefer it to be flat than have frizz. Not completely dry, it's I would say 95% dry. So as a last step, people either blow dry their hair or diffuse their hair. I've never diffused my hair before, but I did find this one in my cabinet. It doesn't fit with my regular blow dryer. The mouth like and the attachment does not match. However, it is fit with my travel blow dryer. I'm blow drying my hair on a lower setting. I don't want to use a higher setting. Beats the whole purpose of trying to do a whole natural method. Oh shit. I hope I am doing this thing correctly. Some of the curls. This one's a bit frizzy, but I have bleached my hair on this section. This part is weird, but no frizziness, and that's important. I really like this invisible oil a lot. So just a little bit, not a lot. Personally, I would only do this if I have a lot of time on my hands. It is very time consuming. The result is good for no heat curls, but it's not impressive where I would go out of my way just to do it. I'm gonna do this hairstyle again, but with net stocking, and when you have it on, you actually diffuse your hair at the same time. So I'm definitely gonna try this. I just have to order from Amazon the net stocking, because I think Amazon should have it. If I braid my hair in 2 sections like this, I think the curls would get more defined. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and support the channel. It truly means a lot, especially if you're interested to watch the plopping thing with the fishnet stocking. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have an Instagram, my Instagram is Stauber Tisha, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.